not something you can wipe. You definitely need a polisher that's spinning. So we got to find the right tools and equipment, but we can learn about this and get better at it. And of course, if we move into bigger planes, there's more of this kind of stuff. Like the leading edges of the wings are usually aluminum because they're called hot wings on the jets. They get hot for de-icing and anti-icing capability. So they want those things polished and looking good. So again, you can make $500 just doing what they call the bright work.
Wow.
On the plane. All right, so that's good. So I got the front. You see how that's all clean?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, yeah. So we just got the bottom. I cleaned the bottom not too long ago. It's not bad, but you'll get to see this. Whichever one style and Barry gonna wear. They're both about as ugly as the other one. All right, so you got old clothes on?
Yeah.
Okay. What I might do is, I'm going to grab one of my towels, because I didn't wear my oldest shorts, so I'm going to lay a towel down just so as I'm sliding along, and it's not going to be a big issue till we get right into that nasty area right there.